Hi everyone, today we will see lesson number 1 Nutrition in Plant of 7th Standard. In class 6 you learned that food is essential for all living organisms. You also learned that carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals are components of food. These components of food are called nutrient and are necessary for our body. So nutrition is a word that is derived from the word nutrient. So first we have to know what is nutrient. Nutrient is nothing but component of food. Which component? Carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins and mineral. These are called nutrients which is present in the food. Understood students? All living organisms acquire food. Plant can synthesize food for themselves, but animal including human cannot. They get it from plants or animals that can plants. Thus, humans and animals are directly or indirectly depend on plant. So all of you knows all living organism. Which are living organism on earth? Plants, human beings and animals. Among these three living organisms, plant can make their own food. But animals and human being cannot make their own food. They directly or indirectly depend on plant for their food. Buzo wants to know how plant prepare their own food. Yes, plant prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight. They take carbon dioxide from atmosphere and water, and with the help of green pigment chlorophyll, plant can prepare their own food. Understood students? What is nutrient? Nutrients are nothing but component of food and they are present in food. Vitamin, mineral, carbohydrate, protein, fats, these are nutrient and these can obtain from the food. Now we will see how plant can prepare their own food. Mode of nutrition in plants. Plants are the only organism that can prepare food for themselves by using water, carbon dioxide and mineral. The raw material are present in their surrounding. The nutrients enable living organism to build their bodies, to grow, to repair damaged part of their bodies and provide the energy to carry out life process. Nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism, its utilization by the body. Now mode of nutrition in plant. First, now we have seen what is nutrient. Carbohydrate, fat, proteins, vitamins and minerals are nutrient. They are obtained from food. Now we will see raw material. Which plant prepare their own food? They need raw material to prepare their own food. So which are that raw material? We will see here. This water, carbon dioxide, mineral. These are raw material that plant need to prepare their own food, and these raw material, water, carbon dioxide and mineral, they obtain from the surrounding for preparing food. Understood? Now we will see uses of nutrient. Nutrient enable living organism to build their bodies. Enable living organism to build their bodies. है ना, आपकी बॉडीज पूरे ऑर्गन्स आपके बॉडीज के कैसे हो जाते हैं, स्ट्रॉन्ग बनते हैं ना. सो न्यूट्रिएंट हेल्प टू बिल्ड योर बॉडीज टू ग्रो. आप बेबी से बॉय बनते हैं फिर मैन बनते हैं, यानी आपकी ग्रोथ हो रही है. तो इट ऑल्सो न्यूट्रिएंट ऑल्सो हेल्प इन योर ग्रोथ. ऑल्सो कभी आपको इंजरी हो जाती है, आप गिर जाते हैं ना, कभी फ्रैक्चर हो जाते हैं, तो वो डैमेज पार्ट को रिपेयर करने के लिए भी कौन मदद करता है आपको? न्यूट्रिएंट. सो एंड मेन थिंग्स, every day you are doing many works from morning to night. For that we need energy. That energy is also supplied by nutrient to us. So nutrient is very essential for our body. These are uses of nutrient, that is enable living organism body. All these are nutrient uses. Understood? Nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. अभी न्यूट्रिएंट ले रहे हैं आप, पर कैसे ले रहे हैं, किस तरह से ले रहे हैं, उसे बोलेंगे न्यूट्रिशन. और किस तरह से आपकी बॉडी उस न्यूट्रिएंट को यूटिलाइज कर रही है, उसे बोलेंगे आप न्यूट्रिशन. सो डेफिनेशन ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इज मोड ऑफ टेकिंग फूड बाय एन ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड इट यूटिलाइजेशन बाय द बॉडी. This is definition of nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which organisms make food themselves from simple substance is called autotrophic. Auto means self, tropo means nourishment, nutrition. Therefore, plants are called autotroph. Animals and most other organisms take in food prepared by plant. They are called heterotrophs. Hetero means other. So here they have told what is autotroph and what is heterotroph. Autotroph means the organism make food themselves is called autotroph. An example is plant. Understood? Heterotroph animals and other living organism which didn't make their own food but they depend on the food prepared by plant. They are called heterotrophs. So understood, many times right difference between autotroph and heterotroph is coming. So definition and one example you can write. Autotroph, the organism make food themselves from simple substance is called autotroph. Example plant. Animals and most other organism take in लिखना जरूरी है, take in food prepared by plant are called heterotrophs. Example you can write animals. Now, Paheli wants to know why our body cannot make food from carbon dioxide, water and mineral like plants do. Yes, our body cannot make food from carbon dioxide, water and mineral like plant due to absence of green pigment chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps the plant to trap sunlight. Also, the mechanism in the plant body is very different than human body. So, we cannot make our own food. Understood, Paheli? Okay. This now we may ask where the food factories of plant are located. It is very important where the food factories of plants are located. Many time in MCQ it is asked. Answer is leaves. Answer is leaves. Understood? Leaves are food factories of plant. Whether food is made in all part of plant or only in certain part? No. In all parts of plant food is not prepared. Only in certain part. Only in leaves food is prepared. How do plants obtain the raw material from the surrounding? Yes, I told carbon dioxide it take from atmosphere and other nutrients it take from root and all is supplied to the leaves, and in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight plant prepare their own food. How do they transport them to food factories of plant? और ये पूरे रॉ मटेरियल कैसे प्लांट के फूड फैक्ट्रीज में पहुँचते, ये आप कहाँ देखेंगे? सामने. Now what is photosynthesis? Food making process in plant is called photosynthesis. Leaves are food factories of plant. कोई भी parts में food prepare नहीं होता है, सिर्फ leaves में prepare होता है food. क्यों? क्योंकि उसमें green pigment present होती है जिसका नाम है chlorophyll. Therefore all the raw material must reach the leaf. Water and mineral present in the soil are absorbed by the root and transported to the leaves. Carbon dioxide from air is taken in through the tiny pores present on the surface of leaf. These pores are surrounded by guard cells. Such pores are called stomata. So leaves are food factories. So all the raw material should reach to the leaves. So water and mineral they are present in soil, so root absorb that water and mineral and supply to the leaves. Carbon dioxide is present in air, so on the leaf there are tiny spores. That pores absorb carbon dioxide from the surrounding or from the air and supplied to the leaves to prepare the food. That small pores which are surrounded by guard cell are called stomata. It is also very important. What is stomata? The spores present on the leaves or the spores present on the surface of the leaves are called stomata, which are surrounded by guard cell. Thank you.